Hello friends and welcome in this one more video of DIYMaster, and in this video we are going to uh, understand, or say for example we are going to learn how to remove or replace the battery of any multimeter. As you can see, we have this Miko multimeter, and the digit is very normal. There is no sign of low battery, and if we check anything, the value would be accurate. But in this case, as you can see, if we put this on voltage, the battery shows low battery. This means battery need to be replaced. And if we put this multimeter on resistance mode, say for example 200 ohms, and as we short these probes, you can see the dot, actually the decimal number is going to disappear. As you can see, that means in this condition, if we regularly use this multimeter, the actual value may be differ from the actual value. So let's start to replace this multimeter's battery. Or however, this multimeter is purely Chinese multimeter, but it doesn't mean that every Chinese product is worst, or you can say not value for money. We have using this multimeter for almost 3 to 4 years, and we have bought it in just 80 rupees, and now it's time to replace the battery. This is third time we are going to replace the battery. So before, for replacing the battery, we just need to open these two screw, and we can open these screw with the help of the small aligner, or you can say a little screwdriver. Just open these two screw, and there is a lock system behind the lock system is already broken, because as I already explained to you, we have 3 to 4 times we have replaced this battery, and now we can remove this cell. Actually this cell have 9 volt capacity, and if we now measure this battery plus and minus, you can see 7.31 volt. So battery is particularly weak, and if we and this cell, if we measure this cell, you can see 9.49 volt. So technically this battery is nearly dead, so we need to replace it. And as we replace it, we can see there is a symbol of plus and minus. So we just need to keep in our mind the plus and minus. Just place it. Okay, just place it and fit the cover. Okay, the cover is broken. Now tighten back the screw, and now we can see that there is no low battery sign. And now if we set on 200 ohms, we can short the both probe, and we can get the resistance of this probe, that is 2.6 ohm. And if we measure the exact value of this resistance, that is also 2.21. And if we use this branded multimeter, need to, okay, resistance, automatic resistance 2.17. Now you can see both multimeter are showing the same reading. It means the basic problem with these multimeter is if the battery is low, that may fluctuate the actual reading of any multimeter. As you can see, 3.2 and 6 point. Okay, so there is little difference. We must check separately. That is 2.18 and then 2.1817. So this is how we can replace the battery of any multimeter. I hope you like that video. If you like that video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like our video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the video.